Last year, I discovered something shocking about walnuts that changed everything I knew about brain food. Doctors told me walnuts were perfect for memory, packed with omega-3s, and safe for everyone. But after my mother developed severe digestive issues and cognitive decline, I dug deeper into the science. What I found was disturbing. Walnuts contain powerful compounds that can either protect your brain or destroy it, depending on what you eat them with. The National Institutes of Health published research showing certain food combinations with walnuts produce harmful substances linked to increased cancer risk and accelerated dementia progression. This isn't about fear, this is about facts. The problem starts with something called phytic acid. Walnuts naturally contain high levels of this compound, which binds to minerals like zinc and iron in your digestive system. When you eat walnuts with specific foods, this binding process creates oxidative stress that damages brain cells over time. A study from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that chronic oxidative stress accelerates cognitive decline by up to 40% in susceptible individuals. Here's what happens inside your body. Walnuts are rich in polyunsaturated fats, especially alpha-linolenic acid. These fats are incredibly unstable and oxidize rapidly when exposed to heat or combined with certain proteins. When oxidized fats enter your bloodstream, they trigger inflammatory responses that damage blood vessel linings. The Mayo Clinic confirms this inflammation is a primary driver of both cancer development and neurological deterioration. The worst combination is walnuts with processed meats. Bacon, sausage, and deli meats contain nitrates that react with walnut compounds to form nitrosamines, classified by the World Health Organization as probable carcinogens. I learned this the hard way when my mother regularly ate walnut salads topped with bacon bits. Within months, her memory tests showed concerning decline. Dairy products create another dangerous pairing. When you consume walnuts with milk, cheese, or yogurt, the calcium in dairy binds with oxalates in walnuts, forming crystals that stress kidney function and reduce nutrient absorption. This combination also produces advanced glycation end products, molecules that accelerate cellular aging and have been linked to dementia progression in research published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information. Sugar amplifies walnut toxicity dramatically. Candied walnuts or walnut desserts combine unstable fats with glucose, creating a perfect storm for insulin resistance and inflammation. The British Journal of Nutrition documented how this combination increases systemic inflammation markers by over 30% within 2 hours of consumption. Chronic inflammation damages the blood-brain barrier, allowing toxins direct access to brain tissue. High-heat cooking destroys walnut benefits completely. Roasting walnuts above 350 degrees Fahrenheit oxidizes the omega-3 fatty acids, converting them from anti-inflammatory compounds into pro-inflammatory agents. I tested this myself with blood work before and after eating roasted versus raw walnuts. The difference in inflammatory markers was shocking. Now for the best recipes that actually protect your brain. Raw walnuts soaked overnight in filtered water reduce phytic acid by 60%, making minerals more bioavailable. Soak 1 cup of walnuts in 2 cups of water for 8 hours, drain, and rinse thoroughly. This simple step transforms them from potential toxins into brain-protective superfoods. Combine soaked walnuts with dark leafy greens like spinach or kale. The vitamin K in greens works synergistically with walnut vitamin E to protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed for additional omega-3s and fiber that support healthy gut bacteria, which research shows directly influences brain health. Blend raw walnuts with blueberries for a powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in brain regions responsible for memory. A study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found this combination improved cognitive function in older adults within 12 weeks. Pair walnuts with fatty fish like wild salmon or sardines. The EPA and DA in fish complement the ALA in walnuts, providing comprehensive omega-3 coverage that reduces dementia risk by up to 25% according to research from the Alzheimer's Association. Heat this combination 3 times weekly for optimal protection.